Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making rose muffin. For this we need baking soda, baking powder, egg, caster sugar, refined flour, oil, vanilla essence. So in a bowl we take egg and now beat them for 8 to 10 minutes. Now add 3 teaspoons of oil. Beat it again. Now in a strainer I will take 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 120 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and strain them. Mix them using your hand. And now in your egg mixture add 50 ml of rose syrup. Add a pinch of food color. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of dry ingredient and fold it in one direction. Repeat this process 1 teaspoon at a time till you find a smooth consistency of your batter. Now you can see our batter is smooth enough, so we will take muffin molds and fill half of the muffin mold with batter. We will bake it for 20 minutes and after 20 minutes your rose muffin is ready. Thank you.